Good morning, students. Now we are going to learn transportation and classification of transportation.
Transportation. Do you know what is meant by transport? Carrying goods and passengers from one place to another. Transport system is called lifeline of a country. It helps to move the materials to the point of production and goods to point of consumption, that means to the market. Do you know how the earlier men traveled? Earlier men traveled on foot or used animals for transport. With the help of discovery of wheel, transport was made easier and gradually different means of transport were developed. India is closely connected with the world countries by means of fast moving transport. Now we are going to learn transport network in India. Of transport. Transport was classified into land transport, water transport, air transport. Land transport was classified into roadways, railways, pipelines. Water transport was classified into inland waterways, ocean waterways. Airways are classified into domestic airways and international airways. Roadways. Roadways play an important role. They carry goods and passengers for a short, medium and long distances. They are easy to construct. They are easy to maintain. They connected easily the farms, fields, factories and markets. They provide door-to-door transport services. They are used by all sectors of people in the society. The Indian roads are cost efficient. They connect the different parts of our country. India's road network is the second longest in the world. For maintenance purpose, the roads are classified into national highways, state highways, district roads, rural roads or village roads, border roads, international highways. We are going to see the classification of roads. National highways. It is the most important transportation in India. It links the state capitals with the national capital. It connects capital states, major ports, rail junction, industrial and tourism centers. It was maintained by the Central Public Work Department, CPWD. The shortest national highway is NH47A, Ernakulam to Cochin Port. The longest national highway is NH7. It runs from Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh to Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu, covering 2,369 km. It passes through Jabalpur, Nagpur, Hyderabad and Bangalore.